My name is Tariq. I'm from Karachi and I'm here to teach you Urdu language. If you want to speak Urdu like a native speaker, so please watch this video. Let us start. Hello guys, once again you are with Mr. Tariq and today I'm going to teach you most common sentences you have to tell about yourself. I'm going to tell about myself, so you have to listen carefully how to tell about myself in Urdu. I will tell you in Urdu and you have to recognize what am I saying. मेरा नाम तारिक है. मेरा नाम तारिक है. मैं तारिक हूँ. मेरा नाम तारिक है. How to say in English? My name is Tariq. I am Tariq. This is Tariq. So, in this way, you will learn how to recognize Urdu. Okay? So, let us start again. Second sentence. मैं 31 साल का हूँ. मैं 31 साल का हूँ. मैं 31 साल का हूँ. In other way, I can say like this. मैं 31 years का हूँ. मैं 31 years का हूँ. So now there is a hint, 31 years, so you can recognize. I am 31 years old. Okay. So another way to say in Urdu, मेरी उम्र 31 साल है. मेरी उम्र 31 साल है. This is another way to say in Urdu, I am 31 years old. Third one, if I want to ask a question about this answer, so I will tell you, how old are you? How old are you? How to say in Urdu? Let's see. तुम कितने साल के हो? It is informal. You can ask with your friends, how old are you? It's informal in Urdu. तुम कितने साल के हो? But if you want to ask from elder person, if you want to ask from your parents, if you want to ask any elders, so you can say आप कितने साल के हैं? आप कितने साल के हैं? Okay? Next. Listen carefully. What am I going to say? मैं कराची में रहता हूँ. मैं कराची में रहता हूँ. You have to look at my mouth carefully. How can I produce the sound of Urdu? Okay? So मैं कराची में रहता हूँ. So Karachi is the city of Pakistan. So you can recognize what am I saying. Do you understand what did I say to you? I think you understand because I have already taught you these sentences. I'm going to taking your test. I'm just checking you how are you and where you stand, how much have you improved your Urdu. So in this way I can check you and you have to tell me how many sentences you have known, you have already known. You have to tell me. Okay. So next. मैं कराची में रहता हूँ. I live in Karachi. मैं कराची में रहता हूँ. I live in Karachi. Okay? And the other one, मैं कराची से हूँ. How to say in English? Did you understand? First sentence I said, मैं कराची में रहता हूँ. It means I live in Karachi. But if I say, मैं कराची से हूँ. मैं कराची से हूँ. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means I am from Karachi. I am from Karachi. Okay? Okay, next question. आपकी तालीम कितनी है? आपकी तालीम कितनी है? आपकी तालीम कितनी है? तालीम means education. So I'm going to ask you how to ask anyone. I want to ask, what is your qualification? What is your qualification? या what is your academic qualification? आपकी तालीम क्या है? या आप कितने पढ़े लिखे हैं. There are two ways to say आप कितने पढ़े लिखे हैं. Sorry. Sorry once again. I'm just going to ask you आप कितने पढ़े लिखे हैं. What have you done? Which degree do you have? So when I'm going to ask this question, how will ask in Urdu? It's simple. आप कितने पढ़े हुए हैं. आप कितने पढ़े हुए हैं. Look at my mouth. Look at my mouth and lips and carefully pronounce with me, imitate me. आप कितने पढ़े हुए हैं. Okay, next. Another way to say आप कितने पढ़े हुए हो. What is your education? What is your qualification? What is your education? What is your academic qualification? So another way, आपकी तालीम कितनी है. This is very simple. Mostly people ask this question, आपकी तालीम कितनी है. आपकी तालीम कितनी है. आपकी तालीम कितनी है. Okay, next. आपको क्या पसंद है. आपको क्या पसंद है. How to say in English, आपको क्या पसंद है. When we going to ask like something like what do you like. When we say what do you like, आपको क्या पसंद है. What do you like. So I like shopping. I like cup of coffee. I like cup of tea. But I'm going to ask you, आपको क्या पसंद है. It means I'm going to ask this question, what do you like. When I say आपको क्या पसंद है, it means what do you like. आप कैसे हैं. आप कैसे हैं. In many lessons I have already taught you again and again. It's a greeting. आप कैसे हैं. How are you. आपकी तबीयत कैसी है. How is your health. आप कैसे हैं. How are you. आपकी तबीयत कैसी है. How is your health. आपके घर वाले कैसे हैं. How is your family. So today I'm going to teach you one tip, very quickly way to speak Urdu. You have to ask someone about how is he. Like how is he, वो कैसा है. How is she, वो कैसी है. Salman कैसा है. Salman is a name. I'm going to ask how is Salman. Salman कैसा है. How is Tariq. Tariq कैसा है. You are going to ask how is Tariq. Tariq कैसा है. How's your father. आपके अब्बू कैसे हैं. How's your mother. आपकी अम्मी कैसी है. How's your brother. आपका भाई कैसा है. How's your sister. आपकी बहन कैसी है. Everything is okay. सब ठीक है. Yeah, everything is okay. हाँ, सब ठीक है. So in this lesson, just I want to recognize you. What am I saying in Urdu? So you have to understand. Now I'm going to ask these questions again. How series, and you have to recognize what am I saying. तुम्हारा भाई कैसा है. तुम्हारा भाई कैसा है. How's your brother. How's your brother. तुम्हारा भाई कैसा है. Second one, तुम्हारी अम्मी कैसी है. Oh, you don't answer. I cannot listen you. Okay, so आपकी अम्मी कैसी है या तुम्हारी अम्मी कैसी है. It means how is your mother. How is your mother. तुम्हारे अब्बू. There are so many ways to say Abbu loves father. There are so many ways to say father in Urdu. Abbu. It's really, don't say Abu bin Azim, only Abu. Okay? Don't Abu. Okay? And people, mostly people say Papa and Daddy. Dad, Pitaji, Walid, and there are so many ways to say father in Urdu. But you have to only learn one, okay? So, आपके अब्बू कैसे हैं? How to say in English? How to understand? Have you understood what did I say in Urdu? आपके अब्बू कैसे हैं? How is your father? Okay. Now I'm going to change the question, but only the name. How is your friend? How to say in Urdu? How is your friend? Think about this. आपका दोस्त कैसा है? आपका दोस्त कैसा है? दोस्त means friend. Okay? आपका दोस्त कैसा है? How is your friend? It doesn't matter he or she. Okay? It's not male or female, just only friend. Okay? Next, आपकी बहन कैसी है? आपकी बहन कैसी है? Have you understood? No. How is your sister? So, in this lesson, you have learned how series, how to say, how to ask anyone, how is he, how is your father, how is your mother, how is your brother, how is your sister, how is your friend, how is your grandfather, how is your grandmother, how is your everything, how is your family. So in this way you have to listen, you have to watch this video again, and please, you have to make only 5 sentences related to this series. Similar 5 sentences you have to make like this, okay? So if you make 5 sentences, so it will improve your Urdu, but you have to make in Urdu, don't make in English, okay? If you want to say if you face any problem in writing, you just record your voice and send to my WhatsApp number, and I will listen, I will tell you what is your mistake. But in 24 hours, I will check only once. I will check your assignment once in 24 hours. Then I will tell you your mistake. Where is your mistake? And if you make any mistake, I will tell you your mistake. Okay? So please, if you don't have any, if you don't have my WhatsApp number, so I will give my number in my video. So don't worry about this. But you have to remember this. You have to do practice. Whatever you learn, you have to speak. If you don't speak, you will not speak Urdu. Okay? Speak Urdu like a native speaker. If you want to speak like a native speaker, you have to listen carefully. You have to imitate me. You have to speak again and again in front of many people. If you just learn and do not use, so it is worthless. It will not useful for you, because it will not improve your Urdu. It will you just learn the vocabulary, you just learn the sentence, and you will not use, so it will not help you to improve your Urdu. So I hope you will do practice. My assignment is you have to make 5 sentences. I just want to give you one tip for make a sentence. You can say you can write any word in English in the dictionary or in the Google, and write meaning in Urdu. Okay? Then find out the Roman meaning and try to listen. If you don't know how to pronounce, tell me which word you face problem to pronounce. I will tell you how to pronounce that word. So please keep it up and keep watching my videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.